If you are an action taker plus you want to aim for 70 plus in your CA Inter May 25 examination, this video is for you. Yes everyone, so hello, hi, namaskar my dear warriors. I hope you guys are doing really well. Tabish this side, a chartered accountant, all India ranker, international speaker and your faculty for costing. So who is this video for? This video is for three category students. Either you have given your group 1 in Jan 25 examination and now you are planning to go for your group 2 examination. Okay. Or you have appeared for group 2 exams in Jan 25, but you know that you have not given your best, so you will have to reappear again. Or you fall in the third category, wherein you are planning to give your examination for the very first time in your May 25 exams. If you fall in any of the three categories, this video is for you. So, announcing for you guys CA Inter Costing live mentoring batch for May 25 exams. If you are an action taker, you want to study plus aim for 70-75 plus marks in your May 25 examination, this video is for you. If you want to not study, this video is not for you. If you want to score marks without putting in the efforts, this video is again not for you. Sir, what is this batch going to be all about? I had promised you guys once your Jan 25 exams got over that till the start of February, I will not be making any video on how to prepare for your May 25 examination, which classes to refer, none of those things. I told you these are 10-15 days are for you to enjoy. Every other faculty was promoting, okay, purchase this class, do that, do this. I did not do that. Even though it was a loss of revenue, but we decided that, boss, for students, once their exams are over, they have to spend some time forgetting the exams and chilling. But now the time has come, boss. It is the start of February. I am recording this on February 2nd. Now we are having less than 90 days left for examination. So it is time to slowly come back on track. So announcing for you this batch, what is going to be special in this batch, my dear students? Yes, three things. First, you will be getting the recorded classes wherein 100% concepts will be cleared from scratch without having the need to even touch a single formula. Trust me, we will learn the entire subject without having the need to by heart even a single formula, plus around 450 plus questions. All questions from the latest study material, past papers, RTP, MTP, MCQs, case scenarios, everything will be covered for you from zero to hero. But that's not the best part. Yes, the biggest problem that students face with the recorded classes is the discipline. I've seen so many students, they purchase the classes, but after seeing one or two videos, it is beneficial, but they do not have that incentive, that discipline to push themselves. So for that very purpose, we are coming up with a live mentoring batch. Sir, what exactly is this live mentoring batch? Here, we will be giving you guys a detailed daily schedule from February 10th to March 31st. In 50 days, that is roughly 49 days, yes, every week split into 6 plus 1. 6 days, Monday to Saturday, will be giving you the daily targets for the class. 7th day is going to be your weekly off or your revision day. So this way, across 7 weeks, we will finish the entire portion from zero to hero. So firstly, a recorded class will anyways be given to you. In addition to that, a detailed daily schedule planner will be given to you guys so that you have that discipline. But more than that, the best part is, yes, a separate mentor will be assigned to each student who will track the student's progress, whether student is studying or not, whether they are in track or not. Using that, every week, whatever portions they have covered, using that, they'll be giving you guys a customized examination, a customized self-assessment mock examination to ensure that you guys have that discipline and there is that responsibility sharing. That is, you do not run away from the promise you've made to yourself. There will be a mentor who will keep track of your progress. Every 2-3 days, they'll keep asking you whether you're watching the classes. Every once in a week, they'll keep asking your status, okay, how many videos are over? Whatever portions are over, using that, they'll be giving you guys a self-assessment examination. Every 3-4 days, they'll keep sharing a small tip, a small motivation. I'll keep coming, every once in 1 or 2 weeks to look at how you guys are preparing so that we ensure that we have that momentum, we have that discipline, we have that motivation. All of us get started, all of us purchase the recorded classes, but only few students finish it off. I want all our students who purchase the classes to finish off watching the classes. So for that additional support which is needed, we will be providing from our end. So what all will be getting? Yes, daily targets from February 10th to March 31st. Daily what all video has to be seen. The previous day night we will be sharing in the group, so that for the next day you have an exact target as to what should be done. Point number one. Point number two, a customized plan will be shared to every student from the mentor based on your requirements. Okay, a separate mentor will be assigned to every student. These mentors are those students who have cleared both the groups of CA Inter and are currently in the first year of articleship. So they have adequate knowledge. They have cleared. So if you have any problems, any doubts regarding the subject, you can ask me obviously. But regarding your journey in general, sometimes you feel lost out. You have mentors who are just one message away for you guys. They are available to help you in this journey, to make you feel, less lonelier, to make you feel that you belong here, to make you feel that it's all right. All of us have gone through this phase. So that's the most beautiful thing that we are trying to offer for you guys. And every week we'll be having a weekly assessment test, which is going to be customized depending on your preparation. Okay, every week a self-assessment test will be shared for you, and every weekly follow-up will be there by the mentors who will see how much progress you are making, whether you are in line or not, what is the challenge that you're facing. And yes, one very important thing is we will be having a special feature called as the red hot question for the week, wherein what will happen is every Sunday evening at around 7 p.m. from the topics that we have covered, I'll be giving you guys a red hot question. Okay, so exactly at 7 p.m. I'll be dropping in the question. Yes, in the group, I want you guys to attempt that question, and the student who gets the answer right first will be getting the points. So this way, the student who has the maximum points in the end, by end of the batch, will be getting a special gift from our end. It is just an incentive so that you guys push yourself. We are trying to make hard work enjoyable, rewarding. That is what we are trying to do it here. Okay, more like a game for us. Okay, so all these things are there to ensure that you aim for 70 plus in May 25 examination. Now, if you ask, sir, if we just purchase the class, sir, whether we will get 70 marks? No, dear. I'm being very frank for you guys. You will have to watch the class. You will have to listen to the instructions that we are telling. Yes, whatever questions we are asking you to try by yourself, you will have to do it. Okay, yes, there is absolutely no shortcut to success. If someone tells you without putting in the effort, I will ensure that you score 70, 80, 90, that is the biggest blatant lie that you're ever going to listen to. But if someone tells that, boss, we are going to ensure that you put in the efforts, you follow this route, you will be in a position to reach it there. Okay, we will ensure that we are there with you throughout in this route, in this journey along. And we make the maximum simplification possible so that the subject becomes, is broken down into sizable chunks for you so that you can digest that easily. We slowly elevate your understanding so that you reach the examination level. So, what I want you guys to do is just to go to our YouTube channel, Think with Tabish, and first open, one or two demo videos. You can either watch a demo video on YouTube or you can refer to our marathon. Now, just immediately after the last examination, yes, so many students have given their positive reviews on our marathon. Okay, you can just open. I do not want to promote. You see for yourself. You will understand. Trust me, this level of clarity, depth, simplification, question solving, if you find any other marathon, then tell me. That is the level of confidence. 20-hour marathon that we have supported, we have provided. You see, any regular class will not be giving you that much depth. And see the feedbacks from students. I have just randomly taken few feedbacks. Okay, yes, so many feedbacks you can see. This is after the examination, a student has given the feedback. Yes, so all these things, process costing would be easy, most awaited session. Okay, yes, from Srihari from KS Academy. Yes, all these things. Yes, process costing is very level. So today's paper was a cakewalk for me. I had attempted for 100 marks and I had a buffer time of 10 minutes to check. I'm damn sure I will get 90 plus in costing. A student had just commented after their Jan 25 examination. This is just 2 weeks ago. Yes, so all these things are available. I do not want to convince you guys to purchase. Trust me on this. Okay, if you feel that this will add value to you, trust me, you can just look at our demo. That will give you a completely different picture. All I want to ask is look at our demo. That's the only thing. And yes, other details, the language, it is going to be either, yes, 2 language options are available. You can either opt for English batch or you can opt for Malayalam batch. Malayalam batch is going to be 100% in Malayalam, English batch is going to be 100% in English. Duration is going to be roughly 140 to 145 hours. Yes, the coverage is going to be from 0 to hero, from absolutely scratch to mastery, from knowing nothing in zero in costing to becoming the hero in costing. Every point, minutest of the minute point, logically will explain without having the need to touch even a single formula. Trust me, the chapters that you feel is the most difficult, chapters that your friends have told is a nightmare, process costing, standard costing, service costing, marginal costing, budgetary control, we will solve that without having the need to touch a single formula. Without touching a single formula, that is my assurance, that is my promise. And I am the only faculty in the entire CA fraternity who gives you guys the love it or leave it challenge. That is, you purchase our class. In a week's time, if at any point in time you feel that your classes are not adding value to you or it is not suiting your teaching style, you can request us, we'll issue a full refund. No faculty ever does that. But I do that because I believe so much in the quality of our classes. Yes, our review, our only benchmark is our quality, nothing else. There is no other marketing. It is our quality. Go watch our demo lectures, go listen to the marathon, see the comments there, watch a video for yourself. You will realize what simplification, conceptual clarity, question solving means for you guys. Yes, so the dates are going to be from February 10th to March 31st. Roughly 50 days, daily we'll keep giving you guys the targets. Yes, you'll have to watch the recorded classes. Every once in a week, you know, your mentor will follow up for you to understand your daily progresses. Based on that, they'll be giving you guys customized examinations. So all those things will be there. And a very important thing, because this is not just a recorded batch, this is with live mentoring. Because a mentor has to be assigned, and we want to ensure that yes, the mentors, they are not overburdened. So yes, this batch, this offer is only for the first 150 students who are going to purchase it. Now students who are purchasing after 150, they will be getting the recorded classes, everything else they will be getting, but the mentoring facility will not be available. Why, sir? Because the mentors will have to ensure that they give that personal one-on-one attention. It is not possible that, okay, one mentor is guiding 500,000 students. Not at all possible, right? So that is why this we have kept it only for 150 students. And mind you, students, you know, whenever we keep any batch this way, you know, the seats will be filled soon. Okay, so this is going to be February 2nd I am recording, February 3rd we will be uploading the video. Trust me, in a week's time, this 150 slots will be filled. Yes, I do not have to make complete promotion here and there every day, keep sharing, keep asking you guys to purchase. Absolutely, there is no need for that. Our quality speaks for itself. So if you want to be a part of that elite prime 150 students who aim for 70 plus in their May 25 examinations, welcome to the club, boss. Yes, the ongoing fees right now is 4,199 without the books and 4,999 with the books. I would always recommend you to purchase the classes with the books because that will help you guys a lot. Yes, 3 books will be given for you. One concept, smart concept book, one is going to be the question bank and one is going to be the theory question booklet. Okay, and the moment you make the payment, immediately you will be getting a mail. Yes, the links will be shared for watching the classes, and yes, subsequently the next very day, yes, books will be dispatched to you. You will be added to the WhatsApp group. All those things will be done. So what are you waiting for? If you want to take action, plus you want to study it right, study it one time and aim for 70 plus in costing in your CA Inter May 25 examination, welcome to the club, boss. To purchase the classes, please visit our website www.thinkwithtabish.com, or if you are having any doubts, you can drop a message to 8310246880. In our website, you will find a product called as costing regular batch. So that is what you will have to be purchasing. Is this clear, everyone? So that's all for this video. See you guys in the next video. So until then, keep studying, keep smiling, keep working hard, keep making your parents proud, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.